going on, YouTubers? Gadang775, just a mama boy in Texas, back with another video. And today I got an unboxing and first impressions of a new set of headphones. But I got sent some extra stuff as well. I'm not gonna unbox those because I've unboxed multiple products like those in the past. I'm not gonna bother unboxing those. I'll give a brief explanation of those things, by the way. So first off, here is the headphones that I'm going to be unboxing. This is the Trelab Z2. Okay, wireless over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones, and this costs about 70 bucks, or its range is between $60 and $70. So this is right up there with the Bluetooth Faith 2 and my Symphonic semi-open back wireless over-the-ear headphones. These two right here. This is the same category as these. Okay, and price-wise, I'm hoping it's gonna sound similar or better than those. Let's see, this could be possibly the best headphones I bought this year. Now, what else came in this box? It's kind of surprising. You folks know I sell phones, whatnot, and like the Google Pixel, and that's the reason why I got those headphones, because I wanted a good wireless pair of over-ear headphones. I want to show off for you folks that I think would make a great match for the Google Pixel, Pixel 2 XL and the Pixel 2, because they don't have the headphone jack, you know. But I was also sent, okay, you folks know, watch my channel, I'm an Xbox fanboy, but I'm not gonna say no to free stuff. Well, not free, it's actually payment. Oh ho 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 ho, a PS4 Slim and a brand new copy of Last of Us Remastered, which I already have, but I'm probably gonna hold on to this, might become a collector's item or whatnot. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that unboxing. I just wanted to show it off. The reason why I got that is because I take payments in multiple forms when I sell people's phones, and for this particular person, I've sold about 5-6 phones for him already. Thing is, he doesn't have cash up front. He doesn't want. I felt bad for the guy. That guy needed all his money. I usually take a little cut, but he did get a really good deal on the PS4 Slim, and I don't have. You folks know I got rid of my PlayStation 4 Pro, my Uncharted PlayStation 4 Slim. I got rid of all of that, but now I have another one, and I'm gonna probably use it. I might use it. I don't know. We'll see. I might sell it. I might use it. But back to the unboxing. Trelab's Z2 wireless over-ear headphones. Okay, you can already tell this quality already. Just take a look at the box. It tells you one thing. Because I know in the past I say, you know, doesn't matter really what the box, what it comes in, like Edifier WS570BT, those on the ear headphones, those are fantastic, but came in a pretty generic box. They put all that money that they charge for those things into sound, but let's hope they did both for these. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed, shall we? How do I open this? There's tape right here. I don't need a knife, just use my nail. Wow, look at that. And that's what popped up when I opened it. And there's nothing else in the box. Basically all case and box. This is a nice box right here. This is solid. Look at that. I hurt my knuckle like that when I hit it too hard. I actually hit the edge, that's why I hurt my knuckle. I know, what a dummy, right? Okay, and it comes with a hard case. That's an extra plus. And it comes with a little keychain thing here where you can hang it on your keychain, or you can hang it on your belt, or whatever, your purse. So let's go ahead and get this open. I would replace this though, by the way. Feels a little weak. Hey, they had to cut corners somewhere. Now that's pretty simple and elegant. Look at the design on this right here. You see that? Wow. And there went my Google Pixel. Ah! Carpet anyway, and it's already cased, and it's got the tempered glass screen protector, so I'm fine. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. Wow. And these are, and they swivel. They swivel 180 degrees. Let's see. More than 180. So that, again, big old left and right. That's good. I like that. Sometimes you get headphones, you can't find out which one is the left ear cup, which one is the right. Sometimes it doesn't say, but majority of the time it does. So let's go ahead and give this a feel. And again, I like the egg-shaped ear cups like this because they usually fit your ear better than complete circles. Usually. Now, I'm not saying all the time, but so let's go ahead. Wow. Wow. Instant. I mean, this cut out a lot of the noise like that, and I don't even have the things on. So I am going to do a little jump cut right here. I'm going to get this paired with my Pixel XL2. I'm going to do a little jump cut right here. Okay folks, I got this paired with my Pixel XL2, and that was fairly quick. I mean fairly quick. Now I'm going to go ahead and give them a listen, okay? So, and wow, it totally covers your ear. Oh, before I start the music, I just want to show you extra. I forgot to show you before the jump cut what else it came with. It comes with a micro USB charger and an auxiliary cable. Just in case you run out of battery, you can use this to connect to your phone to listen to it. Unfortunately, the Pixel XL2 doesn't have that feature. You have to carry the dongle around, so I'm not going to need this. Okay, let's go ahead and listen to some music, shall we? I'm cranking it up. Wow. Wow. Active noise cancellation is off right now. I'm gonna turn it on. It's a button somewhere. It's a switch. Hello? 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 I'm testing the noise cancellation features. I can't hear nothing until my music, except the music. Wow, holy smokes. Not bad. That thing made me smile ear to ear. These headphones are pretty damn good. And don't mind the meows in the background. That's my Blue Point Siamese cat. She likes to talk. But Snowy, stop. I am doing a video here. So, active noise cancellation, there's a button right here on, what ear cup is this? The left ear cup. It's right here. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's right there. Right here. You can turn it on. You can turn it off. And when it's on, I don't know if you can see it, there's a red light when it's on. And when it's off, that red light is gone. So, and there's a little blinking blue light right here, which let you know it's on. Then the other controls are here. Okay, I got confused when I tried to first turn this on. I thought the active noise cancellation button was the on button. I clicked it on. I was like, hey, it's not pairing. No, the on button is right here by the volume. I don't know if you can see that, by the volume controls, and right in the middle, the play and pause button. That's your on button. And this thing paired fairly quickly. This is sporting Bluetooth 4.2, and I did give it a quick test. Okay, I walked down my hallway. You folks know, been watching my video. I gave it the hallway test. I taped off up to 40 feet down my hallway. So I got up to 35 feet and this thing was still going. Now, line of sight. This thing, that's my little cat. That's my little baby right there. This thing cuts out around between 36 and 38 feet. It starts to chop, which is pretty good range for wireless Bluetooth headphones. I mean, the range on this thing it's better than standard wireless Bluetooth headphones out there, like the Bluetooth 4.1s, 4.0s, the 3.0s. Most of those, they die out right around at 30 feet. This one can go a couple meters farther, I should say, or yards or whatever. which is good. I mean, solid, and again, line of sight. And it can also play through walls for the most part. I went down the hallway, about 25 feet down the hallway, went into my daughter's room, 25 feet, went into my daughter's room. Sometimes the walls do interfere. With my other headphones, it does. Well, this one, it doesn't. It doesn't. So, I mean, first impressions of these headphones are fantastic. Now, you folks are wondering about the sound. You folks heard a little bit of it. And the mids and the highs, they're crystal clear for what you pay for. I'm surprised they got that because of clear. And the bass, it's got pretty deep bass, pretty hard hitting bass. The thing is, when you flick on that active noise cancellation, you notice a change in sound quality. Just a small change. It's there. You'll notice it. If you're an audiophile, you're going to notice it. Now, good or bad, that's subjective. But when the active noise cancellation is on, it's pretty much, I mean, it's just as good, or dare I say even better, than the Bluetooth Phase 2s right here. Okay? It's really good noise cancellation. And for the most part, I'm pretty satisfied with what I paid for. So, you know, 70 bucks. That's around there. Let's just round it up to 70 bucks. Okay? $70, I think it's a great deal. I think it is. Now, if it was cheaper, like if it goes to like 60 bucks, oh man, $60, $50, if it goes on sale, that's a steal. This is bordering my Bluetooth U wireless over-the-ear headphones. Pretty close, though. That's my favorite overall. But these two, the Symphonic and Bluetooth F2s, these are my favorite from last year. Okay? And this, if no other headphones, I don't think it's gonna be very hard for new headphones that I pick up this year to beat these. Right now, that's just from my first impressions. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I might come across something that'll blow these away, or maybe I won't. But that's why I do these videos. I keep on picking up these products that I can let you know, folks know what products I think are good and what products I think, you know, it's like, eh. But yeah, I'll leave a link down below to the Trelab Z2's wireless over-the-ear headphones. You folks can check it out down there. And if you do pick it up, I do appreciate it from that link. Anything bought from those links down below will go directly back into this channel. So yeah, it's Skadang 775, just a mile boy in Texas. I hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button. Let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. Skadang 775, just a mile boy in Texas. Thanks for watching. Peace out.